Understanding the word alleviate. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a word that you might hear often in conversations, especially when discussing problems and solutions. The word is alleviate. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and examples. Alleviate is a verb, and it means to make a situation or a symptom less severe or more bearable. In simpler words, it's like turning down the volume of discomfort or distress. The word alleviate comes from the Latin word levare, which means to lift or lighten. When you add the prefix ad, it becomes ad levare, meaning to lighten up. Over time, it evolved into the English word we use today, alleviate. So, when you think of alleviating something, imagine lightening its weight or making it less heavy. Using a word in context is one of the best ways to understand it. Here are some sentences where alleviate is used. 1. The medicine will alleviate the pain. 2. The government introduced measures to alleviate unemployment. 3. She used a cold compress to alleviate the swelling. In each of these sentences, alleviate is used to describe making a situation better or less severe. Knowing synonyms, words that have similar meanings, can be super helpful. Some synonyms for alleviate include ease, relieve, mitigate, lessen, diminish. So, there we have it. The word alleviate is all about making things lighter or more bearable. Whether it's physical pain, a challenging situation, or an emotional burden, this word captures the act of bringing relief. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Happy learning and keep expanding your vocabulary.